Hello students. Once again I welcome you all in this online session of general knowledge. Students, today we will be discussing about nature potpourri. Now you must be thinking, what is nature potpourri? In this we will discuss about some amazing facts of nature. Here we go. Dash yields more food per acre than any other grain, and the answer is rice. Yes, rice is the plant which yields more food per acre than any other grain. Now see, isn't it amazing? And keep this in your mind. Dash has a larger natural distribution than any other mammal except humans, because we know humans are widely distributed. So except humans, which is the mammal which is largely distributed? It is grey wolf. Next is, this snake is which builds a nest for itself, and you must be surprised to know the answer, because the answer is king cobra. Yes, king cobra is the snake who builds the nest for itself. Next is, dash is the most poisonous bird in the world. Now see, birds are also poisonous. You were not knowing, right? And now in poisonous birds also, the most poisonous one is hooded pitoi. Next is, apart from sugarcane and beetroot, sugar is also produced from, the answer is custard apple. Now keep this in your mind. Next is, the culture of dash is called sericulture, and this is a common one. You must be knowing, you must have studied this in science, right? So the rearing of silkworms is sericulture. Next is, it does not build its own nest but searches for the nest of other birds to lay eggs. Again a common one. The answer is cuckoo. True nutmeg is a dark-leaved evergreen tree which provides nutmeg and maize. Yes. Now these were some amazing facts who made the nature's potpourri. Now next I want you all to do the exercise of common chemicals. Now there are many common chemicals which we are using at home, and they have chemical names also. So these common names are given to you and you need to write the chemical names, and you must have studied these in science. That's why I want you all to do it yourself. For example, alcohol, baking soda, chloroform, caustic soda, glycerin, vinegar, washing soda. These are all their common names and we are using them in our day-to-day life, and you need to write their chemical names. Okay. The next thing, the next exercise that I want you all to do is shop wisely. Now, what is the first thing that you do when you are in a shop to purchase something? You pick up the product and observe it, right? Also, you read the labels. Even I used to do so. Reading the labels on food packages will tell us, it can tell us a lot about what is in the food, the ingredients and everything, the manufacturing date, the expiry date, ingredients, the sugar it's containing, and we know what we are about to eat. Doing so, it will help us to make smart food choices, because when we see it has so much of sugars, added sugars, we opt for some other thing, right? And we go for dates also. So now here there are the ingredients list, which are always placed in order of greatest to least amount present in the food, right? And we used to see that. And the long list of ingredients means that the food is more processed, so it is less healthy to eat. So we need to avoid the products that have a lot of added sugars, artificial flavors and artificial colors. So in this exercise, you have given some logos types of things, and you need to identify which one is the logo for non-vegetarians. It is very common, the red dot, right? And for vegetarian, it is a green dot. Like this, no added salt or Food Safety and Standards Authority of India. You just need to match. So I want you all to do this exercise yourself. Apart from these, you need to do the cyber practice question number 1 to 30. So that's it for today. Keep updating your knowledge. Till the next time. Thank you.